你以前忘了问年份。啥？没懂。
这不是下午的酒吗？
我还真不知道哎，哪年的？
你出生那年。我是说酒。
Friday, Milo.
When will Lin come back?
Oh, he won't be back this week. But next week is soon. 7 days to cut down.
A week?
Yeah. If you are bored, I can be your company for these 2 days.
Deal?
Deal.
Wait a minute. My mother made some riisipiirakka for you.
Some what?
Oh, yeah, it's a pie.
Oh, it's a pie.
Yeah, Lin ate a lot of them. He likes it. I hope you like it.
Oh, thank you. Say thanks to your mom for me.
I will.
这不是我哥的死对头江阳吗？你好，你好，你们好。 他不是打斯诺克的吗？怎么来看九球比赛了？还是等他们走了再出去吧。再碰上，太尴尬了。
哥，这谁呀？孟小冬的妹妹。
孟小旭。